Hi everyone. In this example, I want to show you how you can use Excel custom formats. Now, this is a very large and nuanced topic, and it is not possible for me to cover all the different formats that you have available with you. But I want to cover some of the more important ones and give you an idea how you can build your own custom formats as well. What I will be covering in this video, a lot more would be available on the Medium article. The link is there in the description, so make sure to have a look at that. The basic idea of a custom format is that, let us say we have written 100 minus 100, hello world, and 0. There are 4 types of data that Excel can understand: positive, negative, 0, and text. This should actually be the other way around, like this. So if I select all of these 4, right click and format cells. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+1. We can now go to custom, and in the type we can put the format that we want. So for example, I'm going to put a green in brackets 0, and then POS in double quote, semicolon, red in brackets minus 0, and then NEG in double quotes. For the 0, we will put 3 dashes inside a double quote, and for the text we will say text not allowed in double quotes. What this does is, the positive number is 100 POS in green, the negative is minus 100 NEG in red, the 0 is presented as 3 dashes, and wherever we are writing any text input, it is coming as hello world. This is the basic idea of how custom formats work. And like I said, on the Medium article, there are many more detailed descriptions that have been given. So you can see the format codes and the description for each one of them. Let me try and cover 1 or 2 more examples. So we are writing 100 minus 100 minus 200 and 300. Let us say that you want to hide all the negative numbers. You can go to custom format, and in custom we can say general, semicolon, and 1 more semicolon. What that means is that wherever there is a negative number, we are suppressing that value. And that means even though there are 2 negative numbers in the cell, that will not be displayed to the user. Let's see one more example. Let us say we have a large number here. So let us put some random numbers between 100,000 and 900,000. The format that I'm going to put right now is hash point 00, comma, followed by a slash and k. What that does is, it shows me the numbers as 356.10k, 632.14k, like this. If you wanted to show them in million, then you could have replaced the comma with two commas and then slash m, and you can see that now it is showing us 0.36 million, 0.63 million. So I hope this gives you a good idea in terms of what custom formats can do for you. Let's do one last example. Sometimes you want to write 001 in a cell, and the only way to do that is to put an apostrophe in the beginning, because if you write 001 as a number, then the zeros are not shown. Here you can simply put 3 zeros in the type, and you can see that it will show 001, a 5 will come as 005, 15 comes as 015, but a 1050 still comes as 1050. For more examples, you can read the Medium article where this topic has been explained in a lot more detail.